Hey, how are you? Hopefully, you are doing great and welcome to Creative People. If you or me try to learning English or want to speak well, writing well, and listening well, you should learning English making into a habit. In this video, I will share 5 habits that will help you to make your English more than better. So, let's get started. So, habit number 1, planning. So if you have a journey, if you have a day, if you did not planning, if you did not have any single plan, so this day goes to destroy. This plan, this journey goes to destroy. So everything need to be a plan. Basic plan need also in each and every work, every criteria. So in learning English, you also have a plan what to do first, what to do secondly and third, and going forward a basic process. So you need to be planned when you are trying to learning English. On that time you have a daily basis routine on your inside. That means your routine has, that means you should keep 1 or 2 hours in your daily routine for learning English. Also it will be help you a lot of, because of you just grow day by day. So jump on number 2. Habit number 2, find interesting. Just think it, you have finding something that you are interested. So when you are thinking about this interesting field, you should think in English. You have like gardening, you have choice computer on online income. So just make this English by, so make this think by English. So it will help you a lot when you are thinking inside of you. It's just amazing helping you. Habit number 3, don't worry about mistake. When you are doing to learning English, you are going to learning good English, so that time you will be mistake, you will doing some mistake, you will done some mistake. Mistake is a learning process, so never worry about mistake. When you are trying to mistake, it was also a good journey. If you have done some mistakes, that's not mean you have done mistake, that's mean you are try, you are tried. The important thing is here, you keep trying, mistake will be less day by day. So don't worry about mistake. And habit number 4, recording. Just in this video I also recording my English. You just maybe now you thinking, oh, this is a recording video. No, just simple. If I take it simply, it also a record. When I upload this video in YouTube, that time I also check my video, I also find out my mistake, what is my mistake, what is need to improve, which sentence I making mistake, which sentence I already did mistake. So if you are recording, that time you also get a chance to getting your feedback. You just see your video again, and that time you've noted some mistake that you done in your last video. So recording is most importantly for learning English. And the other thing, the habit number 5, vocabulary. Vocabulary is really super duper interesting fact in your learning journey, because of if you did not know a good number of vocabulary, so how you will speak fluently, how you will writing well. Because of vocabulary is the life of English. So you should 10 or 20 vocabulary if getting new, should be remember this vocabulary you did not know in your life, so that you just take 20 or 10 vocabulary in a day. Just if you try in 1 month, you will get I mean 300 vocabulary in month. So it's enough, because of this 300 is totally unknown vocabulary for in last time. So you should taking a good number of vocabulary. So this video is getting close soon. Hopefully you will getting any simple or a little bit help from this video. If you getting a little or simple help or idea from this video, please hit the like button. And if you think someone need to this video, please share with him. Or also, if you have any suggestion, if you have any comment, please write down in below comment section. Thank you. We'll meet soon.